Today's devotions from Our Daily Bread, Bluestone Church Bells, based on the book of Luke 19:40. I tell you, if they keep quiet, the stones will cry out. Bluestone is a fascinating variety of rock. When struck, certain bluestones will ring with a musical tone. A particular Welsh village, whose name means bell or ringing stones, used bluestones as church bells into the 18th century. Interestingly, the ruins of Stonehenge in England are built of bluestone also, causing some to wonder if that landmark's original purpose was musical. Some researchers claim that the bluestone at Stonehenge was brought from that nearby Welsh village nearly 2